Hi and welcome back. So, we have 24 hours in a day, and let's assume that we spend 10 hours working, 8 hours sleeping, and or let's also assume that we spend 4 extra hours for doing other chores like cooking, eating, commuting, things like that. That means out of 24 hours in a day, we are still left with 2 extra hours. In 1 week, we have 14 hours, and the number goes up to 60 hours every month. And for 1 year, the number is staggering, that is 720 extra hours. Yet, we don't have time to meet our deadlines. We don't have time to spend time with our friends and family members or to do activities that we actually want to do. Today, let's figure out what we should do to make it better. Now, it's not about managing time because nobody can manage time. At the end of the day, it's all about managing yourself, managing your routine and your tasks the best way possible. If you could recall, there was a video by US Navy SEAL trainer Admiral William McRaven, and he talks about the simplest thing to do in the morning, and that is to make your bed. And I think when you make your bed, you start appreciating the simple task. What happens is when you start doing this task, in order to do that, you need to have enough time to start your day. It implies that you wake up earlier than usual and you have enough time to think ahead and to plan your day. And you have clarity of thoughts. That means you know what task you have to do, which task is the most important, which is the least important. It's not only about making a list of tasks and ticking them off, it's also about calming yourself down and creating an ambience that can help you understand the importance of simple tasks. And what more, all these people around me also have similar thoughts. All these people were experts in their own fields and they did extraordinary things. They were able to achieve that because they managed their time very well and they believed that you should work at least 60 to 90 minutes or 2 hours on a task before taking a break. You should not work more than 2 hours at one go because your brain gets tired and it needs energy to rejuvenate itself and to do tasks much better. So your efficiency will decrease if you keep working for longer hours. That means if you work for 12 hours a day and other people work for 8 hours, it doesn't make your productivity better. Also, Harvard Business Review is in agreement with all these people where they thought that the time to work on a task should not be more than 2 hours and then you should take a break of 20 minutes. I hope we start making our best and we think about that why it's important to do simple tasks, why it's important to start our days early and organize our days, because at the end of the day, we are the ones who could manage our day, who could control our life ourselves. So stay tuned. Bye.